Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Floribirth. If you're new here, you're absolutely welcome. If you've been following me for a little while, thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you again for stopping by to watch this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I'm able to achieve an invisible crochet cornrow. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and part your hair in the middle going backwards. I'm gonna part in between, so this is one section, but I'm going to part in between this section and I'm going to just go ahead and crochet some braiding hair into this part. So I'm gonna section off this right here. So I sectioned off a little bit out of that. And I'm going to section off a little bit here too. I'm gonna cornrow this hair right here, and this is where I'm gonna crochet. I know probably that doesn't make sense, but just watch me and see. You're going to see what I'm doing. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and braid this. So it's like in this whole part, I sectioned off one side on one side and I'm gonna braid in the middle of it. I'm just gonna braid in the middle. Alright, so now that I'm done braiding, so I'm going to go ahead and crochet some of this hair in here. So I'm just gonna take small sections like this. Like so. So just continue to crochet until you get to the bottom. I have cornrowed this amount of hair. This is what I cornrowed. So I'm going to unravel. I'm gonna unravel this hair right here, and I'll unravel this hair right here, and then we're gonna braid everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and just braid everything together. Out a little bit. So I'm gonna cornrow this into that. I'm gonna attempt to lay my edges with this Shine and Gem. Tie this up. Okay, so I'm gonna put my beads at the end. So I showed these beads in one of my videos, and these beads I got it from AliExpress. It comes, I bought about 100 of them, and it was like less than $5, I believe. So if you want to go the extra mile, you can put some accessory on the hair. You can kind of do something like this. Alright guys, well this concludes my video for today. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you guys are inspired by any of the videos that I post, please show support to this channel by subscribing to my channel and join the family. Over here we share love and light, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you in my next video. Bye bye.